you people have gone with the installation of the PostgreSQL. I hope you all guys have gone with the installation of the PostgreSQL. Everyone, everyone, or else anyone have not gone with the installation part. Let me know, guys. Please, everyone have gone with the installation part, or else anyone haven't gone with the installation part. Guys, please install. Okay, fine. What I'll do? 2 minutes. 1 minute. 1 minute. I'm sharing my screen, and also I'm connecting by writing pad. One second. I hope you all guys can see my screen. Okay, it is opening, guys. See, guys, just see. I'm just opening one query tool. I'm opening, or else like I'll be creating one new database. See, right click, see, create. See here, right click, create database. Here I'm going. I'm creating Harsha. There is in September, right? September database I've created. There's one database I've created. You can just say there is no data inside it. First of all, I'll show you where data will be. Normally, suppose this is one there is one database, Harsha sample tables. If I'm clicking on it, after, see, it's going to show this. First of all, I'll show you. Right click, query tool. See, I'm going right click, query tool. Here only will be writing the queries. Okay, first of all, where the tables are, where the tables are. You can see this. Again, I'm showing. See this. In the schemas part, in the schemas part, if you click on it, you can see again, don't go with any other thing. Okay, just tables. See, here you can see all the tables. If you want to see the columns inside it, say again see schemas ku, if you click on it, if right side arrow, if it is showing means it is closed. If you want to see inside it, the arrow will be down. The arrow will be down. The same way, see here in the products, you can see the columns names also. This all the columns names. If I want to retrieve it, first of all I will show you this. I'll give you sample data, or else I'll show you the creation of this. We can create tables. We can create tables as per the giving set of rules by our own. And if the tables is there, first of all, see here, select star from products. Select star from, see, the data inside it. The data inside it. Say product ID. I'm retrieving the data inside it. Product ID, product name, category ID, unit price, stock quantity. These were the columns inside it. These are the columns are there. I have retrieved. So first of all, uh, how, like for example, from my point of view, let's create from like creation of tables. We have to move on. For example, as per 1 second, I'll show you. 1 second, yes. Already I'm having inbuilt tables, inbuilt tables. So we'll start with this. Later we'll start with this. I'll give this. We will start with this. I'll give this inbuilt tables data. I'll give you data. I'll give you. Later we'll see creation of tables. These all things later we'll see. Later we'll see the later. I'll show you creation of tables, creation of tables, tables, data insertion, data updation. These all things we'll see later. First of all, why? Because like if I'm going with this creation of tables, like it will be like somewhat like you won't make sense in the initially. So after working on this in inbuilt tables, my approach is like I'll be giving this inbuilt tables first of all to my students. After making sense of this, if I go with this, it will be clear with them. Okay, creation of tables, insertion of data, insertion of data, updation, insert, updation, deletion. These all things will be there. DDL, DML commands will be there. First of all, I'll be having one the same data set. I'll give you one second. I'll show you how to download it also. I'll show you. See one second. Where it is the sample database which I have created. See, Harsha samples. I'm going here. Query tool. Query tool. Here, if you see, there is no data in the tables. There is no data. See the arrow is down. There is no data. What I have to do? Already I'm having this. One second. Inbuilt tables. You'll be receiving this inbuilt tables. Do how I'm going with this? The same approach I have to. Okay. The same file inbuilt tables. How to bring that? See, the here file option is there. This open file. You can see the file icon. Small file icon here. The small file icon over here. The small file icon. Click on this. Click on this. It's going to take you to your directory. See, just this is tables we can create also. We can, I'll show you with our own data we can create also. But like I'm going with one of the sample data, sample tables. These all sample tables. Sample table, sample data initially. Again I'm telling sample tables, sample data initially. Data initially. Why? Because initially we have to make sense of this particular skill. After that, if you go with the creation of table, it will be clear. If initially if you're going with data types and these all things, I won't suggest for my students to go with that. Okay, see, just run this, just highlight this till here. Till here bracket close is there, right? See, table was created. I'll show you this how to insert also. These all things will explain you later. See, just do how I'm doing. That's it. How I'm doing. After this, I'll show you. After this, follow this video recording for this. After this, see here. Okay. If you see here in the tables part, if I'm refreshing now, see the tables came. See the columns you can see the same. How I have done, do in the same way. I'm taking now another query tool from this particular database. Okay, here see, select star from products. Select star from products. Star is the star is the command which retrieves. Star, normally what star does means, star will retrieve star will retrieve all. This star is very important. See, star select is the select star from which table, products. This is a query, this is the thing to extract the all the structure of the table. You can see entire table, whatever the data is. You cannot, you can see a 10,000 rows also, sometimes 10,000 rows also, 10,000 rows also. Just we are going with sample tables. In the real time you will be getting 10,000 rows also, more than that also, 10,000, 1 lakh also. See here, after this, if I am going with, if I want only two columns, suppose if I want only, if this is from the products table, we have seen this, I want only two columns, means suppose select product name, product name, quantity from product name, stock quantity from products. Clear with this? Two columns, for example, two columns only you want to extract from the particular tables, means you have to use like this. You have to use like this. Okay, normally till now what we have discussed, any queries guys? Any queries? Any queries what we have discussed till now? Okay, fine. For example, for example, see here, category ID is there. How many repeated are there here? Guys, I want an answer, guys. How many repeated are there? How many repeated are there? Only observe category ID column. How many repeated are there? How many repeated are there? One. This was repeated. This was repeated. Three is only one. Five was repeated, right? Right? Hello, guys. I'm okay with this. Hello. Am I audible, right? No one is answering. Please. Hello.
Yes, sir, audible.
Okay, fine. Okay with this? One second, guys. One second.
Yes.
Okay. Till here, is it okay, everyone? Till now, till here, is it okay? Till here, is it okay, everyone? Okay. See here, what we'll do, select, for example, have gone with category ID, right? See, first of all, select These all things. See, I want only the unique things from it. What is an unique? I want only unique things from it. Unique things, unique rows only I want. Unique ones only I want. Unique ones I want. What is unique? What is unique? What is unique? Or distinct? Distinct one I want. You can answer, guys. You can unmute yourself and you can give the answers. Unique or distinct? What is unique and distinct?
What is not repeated or what is present only once?
Yes, yes, guys. That means, for example, if I go for the cities, for example, here cities column. Suppose cities, for example, there is one column. Consider cities column. For example, there is a column. In this column, HYD is here. Chennai, Chennai, HYD, Mumbai, Mumbai, Bangalore, Bangalore. Okay, these were the columns, and also like Pune. These were the cities. In this unique, suppose if you go for the unique, HYD, Chennai, Mumbai, Bangalore, Pune. It should not be repeated. Once if it is repeated 10 times or 20 times or 30 times also, the unique, if we pick the unique from that means, if Hyderabad is repeating 10, 20 or 30 means, unique one is like only Hyderabad. Okay, in the same way Chennai, if it repeated, it has to be counted unique things. For example, there is one example. If it repeated, suppose here category ID is say one, two times. If I want to see unique things, unique or distinct is same. Distinct category ID products. This is a unique. Distinct and unique both are same. Already told you. Again, I'm telling. See, distinct and unique. Distinct. We use distinct word here to extract normally. Okay. See here. Distinct. See. 3, 5, 4, 2, 1. I'll write here. First of all, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. Right? These were the things, right? So if I want to extract only distance, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These were the distinct things. Clear with this? How to extract the distinct things from any column? If you want to see, suppose like if I'm going with this, suppose this is the thing. If I'm see, if suppose order items or orders where, one second. For example, you want to know the quantity, distinct quantity you want to know, or a distinct product ID or order ID you want to know. You can easily see. Like here, guys, what happened? There is small tables we are going with. Here, if you see, only 12 rows are there. See. Here, 12 of 12 rows. 12 rows are there. You can see here, 12 rows are there only. So from this, you can easily find array 101 repeated two times and 103 repeated two times and 104 repeated two times. And what is the use of this means? In among if you are having 10,000 rows or 1 lakh rows, suppose you got the data of 1 lakh rows, your manager asked you to go with this. He have asked the array, uh, go man, go and see the what will the district from this particular table. If you see, if you said you cannot count, right? Going to each and every, like if you're going like this, if you're going, and if you're going order it column like writing 101 repeated two times, 101 102, it's very difficult for you people to go with and see each and everything. So that's the reason this distinct. See, select distinct order ID products. One second, where I've done with sorry, order items. Order items, order ID. Clear with this? The problem with go to meetings is, guys, every time if someone is coming or someone is going, this make noise. Go to meetings. Okay, okay, fine. Select, guys. This first, for example, see here. Select staff from products. This and this. One second, I'm writing this. गो टू मीटिंग वाले को पकड़ के मारना भाई, एक जने जा रहा है एक जने आ रहा है, क्या साउंड है ये? ठीक है, see here guys, this is there any difference between these two? Is there any difference between these two? Is there any difference? Is there any difference between these two, guys? Please let me know, is there any difference between these two? Is there any difference है या नहीं है? You can unmute, you can answer, guys. Is there a difference or not? Here I have gone with select uppercase, uppercase, here lowercase. But normally in programming languages point of view, this is called as an normally case sensitive means. Case sensitive and case insensitive, two words will be there. Case in the programming language point of view, two things will be there. Two things will be there. Case sensitive and case insensitive. Sensitive and case sensitive and case insensitive. Case sensitive, what is case sensitive means? Normally case sensitive, if you see here, If I'm going with this, see, just see guys, just observe this. Result was same. Result was same. There is no difference. If I'm going with upper and lower over here, there is an uppercase here, uppercase, lowercase here. Guys, SQL also one language, see, programming language. Uppercase and lowercase here. SQL won't take the difference of the upper and lowercase, but few languages take. Normally, from the programming language point of view, in the Python, if you see in the variable name in the Python, it will be like in the Python, this is different, this is different. These two are different in Python. These two were different in Python. These two have difference. So here it have taken upper and lower into same. So this is called as an case insensitive. You will arrive the question. The interview question if some interviewer going to ask you like SQL is case sensitive or insensitive. See, upper, I'll take this. One second, guys. The question arises like SQL is case sensitive or insensitive. The question here is like SQL is case sensitive or insensitive. SQL is case insensitive. This is example. SQL is case insensitive. Case insensitive means upper and lower. It will be considered as an same. Upper case and lower case insensitive means this means upper and lower case will be considered as same. Case sensitive means upper case will be different, lower case will be different. Okay, example Python, I'll explain in Python. Okay, example Python language is sensitive language. Okay, till now is it okay? Until now, till here what we have discussed is okay. Any queries? अरे कौन भाई गए तो आए तो ये क्या साउंड है ये? What is the sound with this go to meeting guys? I don't know, but they have to check go to meetings team. Okay, any questions with this till here what we have discussed? Shall I continue? Shall I continue? Okay. See here. Again, I'm telling them previewing the class. Just what we have discussed. See, again, I'm saying. See here. If you see, guys, Harsha Sep, I've created one database here. Database here. Have taken the query tool. Query tool from this. See, Harsha Sep. See, query tool from this database only. I've taken the query tool. From which database you are taking? Suppose if I'm taking query tool from this database, there is also another database. If I'm taking query tool from this, if I want to access the data from the Harsha Sep, query tool taken from here, I want to access the data from Harsha Sep, it won't work. किधर से data access करना? From where you want to access data, from where you want to access data, the query tool should belongs to that particular database only. From where you want to access data, note, guys, note. From where you want to access data, I'm writing here, note. Note. From where you want to access data, the query tool should be belongs to that particular database only. That particular database only. That particular database only. Query tool should be. See here, after this, after this, let's go with the, see here, again I'm showing schemas पे high data. The same how I have given you the instructions to follow. Instructions to follow means like how to insert the data. The same way you will have to go with. One second, I have to first of all, see guys, I'm creating new folder, Harsha trainings batch. Okay, this is SEP, right? SEP to for you guys. I went here again, create a new folder, SQL. So inside of this, I'll be uploading the tables file which I've shown you. The same tables file, inbuilt tables, where it is. One second. See, do while watching recording, please try to upload it. Okay, with seeing recording, try to upload it. And also I have uploaded, guys. I'll share this link. No worries. You'll go with check with management. Management will share this link. No worries. Okay, inbuilt files. And how to access means download this, and you can bring. And also right now present live class work also I'm sharing. See guys, click on this. The queries which you have written, how to save the queries which you have written, how to access the data I've shown you. Go here to access the data, pg admins data from here. Inbuilt tables file is there na, that file I've accessed it from here. One second, I'll show you. Again, I'll show you. See, tables, query tool. See, go here, click on this, click on this. See how I've shown to run these all things. Run it. Okay, I'm closing this. If you want to close, you have to go here. You have to go here. You have to close here. Harsha sample. See, if you want to close, go here. See here, right side. Close here. Don't save. If you want to save this, all the queries which I've written, file, save as. I'm saving this as an 23 September. I'm saving this as an 23 September 2024 PG admin live class. I'm saving. I've saved this successfully. Just I'm closing this. I'll show you this. So I have saved this. If I go here, I can close this. Again, I'm going query tool. If I want to retrieve the queries which I've written, I've already saved, right? File option. See all the queries which I've written. It came. Okay, it came. The saved thing, what I'll do, that particular thing I'm uploading in the drive link also. Say drive link completed. Drive link I've uploaded, and also this particular thing print. I'm printing this also. The notes also I'm printing. September 2024 notes. You can see here. See all the things which you have written. See all the things which we have written. Yes, this also you'll get. This also you'll get. No need to do just a little. I'm saying sometimes you have to watch recordings from. If you're going with my class, I'll suggest you in few cases. If you're watching recording, it's more than enough. Most probably, without watching recordings only with this material, with the handwritten notes and these particular handwritten notes and live class queries, live class work only, you can easily cope up with my classes. Okay, this is the thing, and also I'm sharing this. You'll get this, guys. You'll get this. Okay, one second. I'll. What is September, right? One second. I'll rename this 2024. Okay. One second. Okay. Right click, share. Anyone with this link? Copy link. Done. Have kept on. I have. I'm keeping this in chat, guys. Okay. Okay. You can access this. Already I've kept this in chat, guys. See, చాట్ లో పెట్టాను చూసుకోండి చాట్ पे लगा दिया था देख लो guys. Okay, till here what we have discussed, till here what we have discussed, Any queries still here what we have discussed? Why? Because I've shown you the overall view how the submission will be and how the notes you'll be getting, and also task part, today's task part. In the last class, which kind of task I've given any one of you? I told you to just go with the installation, that's it, right? Is there any task I've given, or else like just only go and ask you people to go with only installation part, that's it? No task, okay. Last class might be I've asked you people to go with the installation, I think, right? Yes, installation part. Okay, today's task is like, today task is like, try to create. So the things which I've given, the task which I'm giving is, try to create your own questions of this particular thing. The topics which we have covered, task is topics. From the topics which we have covered, try to create your own questions, minimum five, and solve it. If I give the questions, you will directly go and ask a chat GPT or Meta or Google Gemini Pro, and you will bring the answers from there. I don't want that. Okay, if I give the questions are also there with me. If I give the questions, what you people do nowadays, what happened means everyone using this technology in this way, like going and copying and asking answer. It's giving you. No, it doesn't work. Try to create your minimum five questions, solve it. Why? Because if you solve that, you are creating your own question there. You're analyzing to create question and you're solving it. So minimum five questions that will make sense. Initial stages, that will make sense. Later we'll work it on the interview questions part. Leave about it. Interview questions Google पे भी मिल जाता है आपको. That won't. Interview questions won't make sense initially. Okay, and solve it from the topics which we have covered. From the topics, from topics, from the topics which we have covered. That's it. This is your task, guys. Okay. Any queries, guys? Any queries? Any queries you can ask me, guys. If no queries, you can leave, guys. Just like I thought of might be opening this 10 minutes for you people queries. I'll show you that. I'll show you creation of tables. Initially, why I have given this my own tables? Why? Because means initially, if you're going with the creation of tables, you'll be thinking that SQL will not, you cannot make sense easily. Creation of tables should be, in my approach, is like creation of tables after going this few topics, after making somewhat sense of it. I'll be teaching this creation of tables and how to insert data. This all things I'll teach you. Okay, how to update the data, how to create, update. There's all things: create, update, delete, drop, alter. This all DDL and DML command we will discuss. No worries about it. Okay, clear, clear, Parmesh. Okay. Any queries? Okay. Shall we wind up? If no queries, we'll wind up. If any guys are having queries, they can stay back. I have not done with my installation part. Please try to have you. I hope you have received the recordings of the previous sessions, right? In the previous session, we have gone with the installation part. Please try to follow that instructions and please install it and come back. Okay, in the by the next class itself. Okay, Pamesh. If any queries, you can stay back. If no queries, you can leave, guys.